Rafael Galiares, Education Program Supervisor. I have the honor to present to you the Junior High School completers of Luz Panzon Integrated School for school year 2023-2024. Of whom 65 are males, 48 are females. A total of 113 grade 10 learners who have satisfactorily completed the requirements of the K-12 basic education curriculum, junior high school level of the Department of Education. May I therefore request you to confirm their completion.
By virtue of authority vested upon me by the school's division superintendent of the Department of Education, Division of Examinatory and PAG, Dr. Edilberto L. Opinaria, certify, and with the presentation and certification made by your school principal, Sir Robert Asis, Principal 2, that you have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of the K-12 basic education curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education for the junior high school level of secondary schools of the Republic of the Philippines. I now confirm you junior high school completers. Congratulations and God bless everyone. Mabuhay po kayo.